The Dune House, renovated by OYO Architects, is a sustainable seaside retreat in Belgium. By integrating modern features with the home's original structure, it harmonizes with the natural dune landscape. The house features two main volumes: a partially buried lower level blending into the dunes and an upper level with black stained timber cladding. Large windows frame views, creating a striking contrast between solid and transparent elements. The renovation preserved key structural elements while integrating sustainable systems. The timber cladding and half-embedded lower floor provide insulation, while solar panels and geothermal cooling ensure energy efficiency. The home's layout emphasizes functionality and intimacy. The ground floor includes bedrooms and cozy private spaces, while the upper level features an open-plan living and dining area connecting to outdoor terraces. Expansive windows and skylights flood the interior with daylight, creating bright, airy spaces that emphasize the natural materials and textures. Sustainable materials dominate, with black stained timber on the exterior and warm wood finishes inside. These create a cozy atmosphere while blending with the coastal environment. The color blue is subtly integrated into the design, often as accents that evoke the nearby sea and sky. It appears in select furnishings, textiles, or decorative pieces, adding a refreshing and tranquil contrast to the dominant earthy tones of wood and neutral finishes. Native vegetation and dune preservation minimize the environmental impact. Outdoor spaces, including terraces and an open shower area, extend the living experience into nature. Dune House merges sustainability, modern design, and a deep respect for its surroundings. It is an inspiring model of low-impact living with a timeless connection to its coastal environment.